Okay, check one. Audio is rolling, camera is rolling. Today we are talking about a film emulation plugin called Dehancer. What you just saw was a collection of shots that I've recently taken with my Sony a7 IV, all color graded in DaVinci Resolve with Dehancer plugin. Now, the folks at Dehancer reached out to me probably a couple of years ago, and although I was impressed by the product, it wasn't functional enough for my needs at the time, nor was it efficient or able to fit into my specific workflow. Fast forward to today, and Dehancer has grown so much, as well as myself as a filmmaker. Now, what I really like about the improvements that Dehancer has made over these last few years are specifically in terms of the efficiency, in terms of workflow, and also the options and customization essentially that's been improved on. First off, they've added way more film stocks to their database, and I'm talking about anything from Cinestill 800 to Fuji Color and Kodak and everything in between. Now, what Dehancer lets you do is essentially take your digital footage shot on whatever mirrorless or cinema camera that you use nowadays and convert it very easily into what is a beautiful and easy to achieve film look. This is particularly helpful if you are trying to achieve like a retro or vintage vibe for your videos. Now, rather than get into all the nitty-gritty of how Dehancer works, I just want to give my 2 cents and let you decide as the audience. And when it comes down to it, this tool is going to be useful for some folks and less for others. What I love about the program is that it's easy to use. You're able to sort through and choose between a ton of different amazing options. Everything is based off of real film stocks and real film grain, so what you're actually getting in the plugin is very close to what vintage film stocks actually look like. It's super easy to use, super easy to install, and the team seems really invested in creating a good product. So that means things like updates and improvements to the plugin are really easy to obtain and foreseeable in the future. And in terms of things that I don't love about the program and that I hope are improved not only on Dehancer's end, but probably as a consumer and as technology grows, is just the performance in general. It is a very CPU and GPU intensive plugin, and as soon as the effect is applied, whether you're using Resolve, Final Cut, Premiere, whatever, it will inevitably slow down playback in your NLE and make it really, really hard to watch your videos back or render them in general. Normally, a 5-minute video takes about 6-7 minutes for me to render in Resolve, but when I have Dehancer applied as an instance to all of my clips, it's going to be closer to 40 minutes. So although this is a very powerful tool, it does have a little bit of a drawback in the sense that it's not something I would use on every single video project that I work on. But more specific projects that are a little bit shorter and more refined, that I feel like the look is going to definitely benefit the final outcome of the video. Anyways, I really appreciate the team at Dehancer for sending me a trial. I'm very excited to dig into this program a little bit more and keep an eye out for some projects that I have coming up that will be graded with Dehancer, specifically a couple of music videos that we've been working on. Other than that, follow the links down in the description if you want to find out a little bit more about Dehancer and the fine folks that are running the team over there. And besides that, I will see you on the next one. Peace.